What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video, and today we are talking about a Bitcoin miner app that helps you and allows you to mine Bitcoin through the cloud without having to have all of those special type of computers and computer rigs to mine Bitcoin. But with that being said, let's jump into today's video. So with Bitcoin mining, crypto miner, basically a little general about this app. It says Bitcoin mining app is not using phone device as a miner. Apps mine for cryptocurrencies. The processing is performed off device cloud-based mining. It says, why invest in expensive hardware or dwell on technical jargon? Start your Bitcoin mining journey this way. You don't need expensive hardware, simply choose your desired Bitcoin mining arithmetic and start receiving BTC directly into your cryptocurrency wallet. Test the waters with our free Bitcoin mining contract and prove how easy it is to generate passive income with our app. Experience digital gold rush with crypto mining, the ultimate way to seamlessly accumulate cryptocurrency. Start with our cloud miners. They are a direct way to make money while we manage complexities such as proof of work algorithms, arithmetic, blockchain, Bitcoin halving, mining pools, and ASICs. Remote mining, a great way to get into BTC mining with easily accessible cloud ASICs and cloud GPUs. Monitoring is a breeze. Simply watch your cryptocurrency portfolio expand. Indeed, cryptocurrency mining is a great example of passive income. So basically, with this Bitcoin miner, you don't need to go out and buy a nice big computer with a big GPU and all this other stuff. This Bitcoin miner is pretty legit. I had one of my cousins sign up and test it out to be one of my first referrals, just to see how the referral system was working, and it seems to be working pretty good. As well as he was testing some things and just letting me know how the app was. And so you have the option to really purchase a permanent mining rig, you would say. So I went ahead and purchased the first one, the best offer, which was $5. It was originally like $8, so I purchased it for $5, and I'm earning close to $1 a day with just not having to do anything. And then the other exciting thing about that is there's a free way where all you have to do is watch ads, just like we do on the other apps, and it gives you free. It gives you a boost to your mining. So basically, when you buy the $5 best offer, it's going to permanently boost your mining 24/7. But if you don't have one of those, you're going to have to keep watching ads every 24 hours. So I was watching ads on this app every 24 hours. And then I went ahead and bought the $5 offer, which now in turn, it mines 24/7 without me having to do anything to it. Basically, the only thing that I do every day is check the amount that it's mined. And then I go ahead and just watch the ads anyways, because it adds to your permanent boost. And I'm going to show everybody exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, so this is what the Bitcoin miner app looks like. So we're going to start from the top and work our way down to the bottom of the app. So basically, at the top of the app, you're going to see how much you've mined. That's going to be your total. And it's also going to continuously go up. On the left, below that, you'll see how much you earned yesterday on the app. And then on the right, you'll see how much total invitation rewards you've gotten. So if you click on the invitation rewards, it's going to take you to your invitation page. and it's going to show you all of your people that have signed up, and it's going to show you the total amount that you have earned from your referrals from signing up. And so for everybody wondering about referrals, the inviter earns 10% of the invited person's mining rewards. Earnings start accumulating after the invited person verifies the invite code. The earnings include both paid and free miners. The invited person can only verify one invite code, and it cannot be changed once confirmed. Earnings will stop accumulating if the invited person deletes their account or if the account is banned. The rules are subject to change, and all the interpretation rights are reserved by the operator, and this activity is not associated with Apple Incorporated. So as you can see, if you want to start earning Bitcoin with me and start mining right away, my code is right there on the bottom left. Take that code, and basically all you have to do is you go over here, you go to your profile, and then you go up here and enter the invitation code right there, and you'll be able to start earning right away. As well as, I'm gonna leave everything in the description of this video, as well as the comment section, so that you guys can find this app pretty easily. Let's go back to the home tab. So we're gonna go right beneath what we were just talking about, and the free computing power. So basically what that is every day they're going to give you 8 hours worth of validity, whatever, and then you can claim it. I've already claimed it. And then on the right side is where you're going to watch ads, right over here, and you can watch up to 30 ads and get boosts onto your permanent mining boost. And so if we go down here to more computing power, this is where you'll be able to see your computing power, as well as all the other things that you can make a purchase on. Starting at the top, if we go to active computing power, you can see your miner and how much power it's putting out and how much it's mining with. As you can see, I got the newcomer mining thing boost, and it is permanent. It works 24/7. And above it is the ads reward boost. So yeah, that's that tab. If you go over to this tab, it is the market tab. Basically, every time you make a purchase, they're gonna give you a free free Bitcoin basically when you make a purchase, as well as you're also gonna get the permanent boost. And so whenever you have, I mean, you can cash out whenever. There doesn't really have to be a minimum, but once you have enough to cash out, you pretty much go to your wallet here on this page, and you click up here on withdraw, and it's going to take you to this little thing, and you're going to enter your network that you're using, either Lightning Wallet, BEP20, or BTC. And for me, I use Lightning Wallet just because it's fast and super easy, and I get everything pretty much instantly when I cash out. For those of you who use ZBD, one of the other apps that I've shared on this page, on my YouTube page, the Lightning Wallet, that is what the Lightning Wallet is. It's on the ZBD app, and pretty much you can send your BTC from this mining app to your ZBD, and then from your ZBD you can use Cash App, and from there you can you can sell the Bitcoin and use your cash, send your cash wherever you may want it to be. And so basically that is a general rundown of this app. For the rest of the things on the profile page is you're going to see your ID, invitation code. You're also going to see the invite friends button. You're going to see the share button, support us, contact us, settings, account, and sign out. If you click on settings, it basically just restores your purchased items. It's going to show you the about us and the frequently asked questions. Contact us, you can contact them straight through the app, and if you want to support them, you can donate to this project. And basically that's everything. If you guys want to mine Bitcoin without having to buy a super expensive mining rig, computer rig, then this app is for you. It's totally free to start using, and you don't have to make any purchase whatsoever. So with that being said, you can find the link to this app in the description of this video or in the comment section of this video. So now that you guys have seen the full entire app, I showed you everything that the app has to offer. If you guys like this app, again, you can sign up and download this app from the link in the description of this video, as well as in the comment section of this video. And if you guys have any questions, please comment on this video below. And if you like this video, please drop a like on this video, and please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. That way each and every one of you can see a notification when I drop videos, when I go live, or when I make posts on the community page. But with that being said, I thank all of you for tuning in today to this video. I'll see each and every one of you in the next new earning video. Peace.